How can sickle cell disease be prevented? I know you said that, but
it will be prevented by, before you get married, before you go into any relationship, you need to know your genotype. That is one of the most important things. Try to know your genotype before you go deep into any relationship. By trying to, satisfy this person, okay, leaving this lady now is too hard. Let's just do it. So don't go deep into that relationship. Try to know your genotype first.
Okay, thank you very much.
Welcome to Warriors Inspiration, the #1 channel for sickle cell motivation.
Welcome to Warriors Inspiration. Today we'll be talking about sickle cell awareness. What people know about sickle cell. Sir, please, what's your name?
My name is Mr. Manasseh.
Okay, sir. Please, what do you know about sickle cell disease? What is sickle cell disease?
To me and what I understand and what people think and told me about sickle cell, it's a combination of both female and a male that produce a child with maybe the man is AS and the female is also AS. So they now produce a child that come out with SS, which the both husband and wife are not sick, but the child come out with the SS.
Okay, thank you. You tried. So sickle cell disease is an inherited blood disorder.
Yes.
So it's gotten when one S is coming from the father and one S is coming from the mother, and then becomes an SS genotype.
Yes.
So, sir, do you think sickle cell disease is spiritual?
No. I will never tell anyone that it's spiritual.
Okay.
It's never. It's either you don't know or it's an intentional act. And I will use my experience to share with you guys.
Okay.
I think 2012 to 13 to 14, yeah. I was in a relationship and the lady insisted I should try and know my genotype, which because I claimed I love her and I told her no, I don't want, let's just go ahead and get married. We fixed our wedding, and then a few months before the wedding, I got to know that my genotype is AS, and then the whole thing scattered. She later came back to me that, okay, let's go ahead and do it in the name of love, and I told her no. I tried to calm her down. Okay, this is the situation. You're not going to be sick. I'm not sick, but the child we're going to produce will be sick. Okay, now why I say it's not spiritual is because if I went ahead and do this with her, it's an intentional act. Or maybe you're not educated enough to know what this thing might cause. Then you do it. That one is ignorant. So it's never spiritual.
Thank you very much. Okay. Do you think sickle cell disease is a communicable disease?
No.
Okay.
No, it's not. Scientifically, it's not.
Okay, thank you. How can sickle cell disease be prevented? I know you said that, but let's
it will be prevented by, before you get married, before you go into any relationship, you need to know your genotype. That is one of the most important things. Try to know your genotype before you go deep into any relationship. By trying to, satisfy this person, okay, leaving this lady now is too hard. Let's just do it. So don't go deep into that relationship. Try to know your genotype first.
Okay, thank you very much. Have you heard of crisis pain in sickle cell disease?
I've never heard of that.
Okay, so crisis pain in sickle cell disease is the pain, excruciating pain people with sickle cell disease face because the sickled blood cells, red blood cell which is sickled, blocks their blood flow, and then it causes pain in their joints and their bones. Okay. So crisis pain in sickle cell disease is an excruciating pain in sickle cell disease.
Thanks for that.
So what do you do if you see someone that has a crisis pain? What do you think you can do?
Number one thing is, for me, I know they have drugs they do take.
Okay.
And I don't know if maybe you jump the drugs, it might result to the pains. I don't know. But what I need to do is, to me, you show concern.
Okay.
You don't leave people in pains like that. Okay. Sometimes telling someone sorry, it's fine. Okay. Making sure the person is all right. You don't allow people to be rolling on the floor. I have one in my office that normally when it starts, if you are scared, you may run away from him. And I understand that everybody in this life, both the healthy and the sick one, need care.
Yes.
They need someone to talk to.
Yes.
they need someone to show them that truly I care for you. So the first thing you need to do is to show them you care.
Thank you.
Welcome.
So, aside showing them you care, you give them pain killers.
Yeah.
And if you don't have a painkiller, the best thing to do is to take them to the hospital. So, hospitalization is the thing you do for sickle cell patients. Do you think women with sickle cell disease can give birth?
Sure, they can.
Okay.
Sure, they can.
Yes.
It doesn't prevent them from giving birth.
Okay. With the right medical attention, they can give
They
birth.
can give birth,
You're
yes.
correct. So the last question is, what is the cure for sickle cell disease? Do you know the cure?
Oh no, I don't know. Scientifically, I don't know because I heard people talking about flying them to India. They remove the bone marrow. They do that, but I don't know how sure that thing is. I don't
Bone
know.
marrow stem cell transplant
Yes.
is the cure for
Is the
sickle
cure,
cell disease.
yes.
Thank you very much, sir.
You're welcome, sir.
God bless you.
God bless you, sir.